Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Kontakt installed. Now we begin. Open Logic Pro X and create a new software instrument track. This is your host. Next, click the instrument slot in the channel strip and choose O Instruments Native Instruments Kontakt. If you don't see it, go to Logic Preferences Plugin Manager and enable Kontakt, then press Rescan. Once done, insert Kontakt and save the project. This ensures Logic recognizes the plugin and preserves its O state for future sessions. With Kontakt loaded in the instrument slot, open its internal browser to pick a library or drag a NKI file into the rack. You must set the MIDI channel for each instrument if you plan to play multiple patches from one instance. For multis, create additional outputs in Logic's mixer. Click Kontakt Outputs, add stereo channels, and map them in Kontakt's output section. Also, lower voice count or use disk streaming to avoid heavy RAM use when loading big sample libraries. Now finalize routing and test playback. Enable record on the Kontakt track and play your controller. If CPU climbs, freeze tracks or bounce audio to reduce load. This preserves the sound without real-time CPU cost. If you hear nothing, make sure the track's MIDI channel matches the instrument, the plugin isn't bypassed, and Kontakt passed O validation in Plugin Manager. If problems persist, rescan plugins, relaunch Logic, or open native access to verify authorization. That usually clears remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.